Hi everyone, welcome back to K&D Adventures. We are now on board the KLIA Express and we are on the way to Kuala Lumpur International Airport because we're going to Thailand today. Woohoo! Thank you Malaysia, we had an amazing time here the past 4 days, but now it's time for us to catch the Thai Airways flight and we are going to Bangkok. Once check-in is done and we have dropped our luggages, it's time for us to head through immigration and go through security to our gate. Not only our flight was a late one, it was also delayed as well. But anyway, let us get on our plane. Today we are flying on the Thai Airways 787-8, a Boeing Dreamliner. And of course, as always, we are sitting in economy class. But hey, the Thai Airways product are actually quite nice and not bad. It's actually quite a short flight, which is less than 2 hours, and ooh, their in-flight safety video is quite fun too. Once airborne, we actually got offered a blanket and our dinner options, which include a chicken noodles and seafood rice. Yeah, not bad, the cake was quite nice as well, and in no time we are now prepared for landing. Even the flight time was a bit shorter, we actually arrived 45 minutes late, but that's okay. We're now boarding the bus to the main terminal and wow, look at all these aircraft. I love Bangkok airport. Alright, let us now go into the main terminal and head through immigration so we can make way to our hotel. And as always, the baggage did take forever. And hello Bangkok, Thailand. Or should I have said Sawadika? Well, Sawadika to our Grab driver because we are now making our way to the hotel now, which is located in the city center near Central World. And in just half an hour time, we have now arrived at Movenpick BDMS Wellness Resort and we'll be staying at the Deluxe King room. After checking, it's time to head up to our room on level 5, make our way down, and here's our room at room 536. And it's time for a room tour. Firstly, on the right, we have the mini bar area, which the snacks and drinks are all complimentary. And then the wardrobe is on the side, including the bathrobe, a safe, and some slippers. And of course, in the middle of the room, we have a nice big king-size bed and also a nice TV as always. Into the bathroom we go, there are definitely a lot of mirrors. There are some basic toiletries, a nice shower. So guess what? Of course, it's time for the shower now. And now it's also time for us to head to bed, enjoy some TV, and get to sleep. Thanks for watching everyone. We will show you day 2 of Bangkok soon. Goodbye for now.